I'm Ken Rockwell. Let's take a look at my new Nikon 50mm f1.2 Z lens. This just showed up from my friends at B&H. I've been shopping from those guys since the 70s because I always get the real product. I don't get any gray markets that I don't know about and so forth. This box has been sealed, and that's the important thing, because it's important that your box here is actually sealed, because Nikon does not seal any of its products, which is really a bad thing for we consumers, because if you buy it at a local store, you'll have no way of knowing if it actually is the real thing, or if someone's taken it out and played around with it, or if it's a used product, damaged, a return. That happens a lot. People return things. They buy it, they shoot a job with it, they return it. Return something to B&H, it goes into the used department, not your local store. So never buy at a local store. I have not bought at local stores since the 70s, when I first learned about B&H, through their advertisements in the back of the old-fashioned printed photo magazines, which no longer exist, because we do everything online today. Anyway, that's the box. Okay, here's Nikon's box. You'll notice totally unsealed. Completely irresponsible on Nikon's part, but hey, that's the way they choose to go to market. And then, it's a free country. They can do what they want. Let's see. It's a standard micro-corrugated cardboard box. Pop this open. What do we get? We normally get, you got to be kidding me. This is what they call a case. This is not a case. This is a bag. It's got no padding. Honestly, an old sock works a lot better. Costs less, too. Okay, closed cell foam. This is good. You can drop this out of the back of an airliner, and the lens will probably be okay. In the back here, we have a, very important. Here's your legitimate USA warranty card. If you don't have this, you may have been ripped off. This serial number needs to match the one on your lens, and we'll check that. It should also match the one on your box. Now, it doesn't have to match the one on your box. If the one on your box doesn't match, Nikon's not going to come check, but it means you bought a used lens from a dealer that took things out and moved them around. It should say Continental United States. Nikon got cheap. As of 2021, they no longer offer 4-year warranties. They only offer a year, which is fair. And I can't see that it costs them that much, because essentially nothing breaks between year 1 and year 5. But, so be it. They got to do something to stay in business. Lowering services and so forth. Let's see here. The bottom of the box is more closed cell foam. And here is our multi-language instruction sheet in 6 languages, and it's all one big giant folded sheet. Here is our actual product. And let's see what we got. We have a plastic bag. Is there a serial number on the bag? No. It weighs half as much as a 58mm 095 and costs 1/4 as much. It's got the same exact Thailand 82mm front cap. It's got a hood, which, to be honest, this is kind of just a usual crappy plastic hood. It does have a locking pawl, which is nice. The hood that comes with the 095 is solid alloy, but it's so tiny, it's kind of like a mistake. It wouldn't actually work. This dude here goes on, offers some more shielding. This is actually a nice hood. That is a nice hood. The lens, it's all plastic, and I'm sure it's offshore to some faraway place. Yeah, this is a Thailand lens. It's not made domestically in Japan. Sorry about that, but that's what Nikon does for us today. It's all plastic. Plastic. Just for looks, it's got this one ring is metal. And it's got the usual back here. And that's it. That's what you get. That's a quick look at unboxing of my virginal Nikon Z 50mm f1.2s. Thanks for watching Ken Rockwell and KenRockwell.com.